Powerhouse Portable Welding Machine MMA 200 Inverter. The MMA 200 mini inverter has a 220 voltage, 60 Hz rated frequency, 65 volts no load voltage, and has a current range of 10 to 200 amperes. The mini inverter also provides a power factor of 0.7, 60% duty cycle, 85% efficiency, and a copper coil with an H installation class with a rating of 220. The MMA 200 Mini has an adjustable strap that makes it a portable welding machine. Powerhouse Portable Welding Machine MMA 300 Inverter. The MMA 300 Inverter has a 220 voltage, 60 Hz rated frequency, 60 volts no load voltage, and has a current range of 20 to 300 amperes. The mini inverter also provides an 80% duty cycle, 85% efficiency, and a copper coil with an F insulation class with a rating of 180.